We'll guide you through how to share Google Drive files via email. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, find the file you want to share. You can do this by browsing through your folders or using the search bar at the top. When you've located the file, right-click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Share. A pop-up window will open where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. Make sure to enter the correct email addresses to avoid any sharing issues. Below the email field, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you set the permissions for the recipients. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the file. Choose the appropriate level of access based on what you want them to do with the file. After setting the permissions, you can add a message in the message box if you want to include any specific instructions or a personal note. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button. Google will send an email with a link to the file to the addresses you've entered. It's as simple as that. Your file is now shared, and the recipients can access it according to the permissions you've set. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.